Welcome to the presentation of the Regional European Geographic Information System for Google Earth project. The project is based on the cooperative REGIS data research by the Eurodata Research Archive of the University of Mannheim, the Universitat de Lleida, and the University of Applied Sciences Berlin for the upcoming publication of European Regions, the Territorial Structure of Europe 1870 to 2000, a handbook by Daniel Karamani, Peter Flora, Franz Kraus, and Dodi Marti Henneberg. REGIS GE is a 3D representation of the REGIS data for the Google Earth Geodata viewer. It was created during the diploma work of Bennet Schulte on the University of Applied Sciences Berlin in 2007. It allows the manipulation of the temporal visualization of the data by using the Google Earth time controlling tool in the top of the screen. It is possible to visualize the administrative status at a specific time or time period. The current view shows the administrative boundaries circa July 1871 with colored overlays of the area and the name of the countries. Clicking play on the time control tool starts the time advancing animation. The animation will continue until the year 2000 and then restart. Unfortunately, due to incomplete data, you will see gaps in the visualization of the data. 1871, 1923 and 2000 were the only years which are completely implemented with the complete boundary data. The program uses single shapes with a specific valid time span. In Google Earth, the shapes disappear in the time of the visualization once a specific time span passes. Let us go to 1923. In addition to the REGIS data, you can display all Google Earth internal data or external data, for example the current boundary and settlements. Let us go back to 1875 to demonstrate one of the possibilities of the visualization with Google Earth, the digital terrain model. Here you see Tyrol in the Alpine Mountains. REGIS GE not only contains full polygon data, it also contains a single borderline, so it's possible to display the outline of an administration unit and the name as a single visualization. It can also contain multiple administration level datasets. Until now, you only could view level 0, the country level. For the purpose of the demonstration, one country was realized on level 3 for the 1911 to 1918 period. This country is the Austro-Hungarian Empire. The user can choose an administrative unit by using the mouse. The region will be highlighted as the mouse moves over it. As you see, Google Earth automatically hides other elements like city names to make space available for the name of the selected region. The REGIS GE code includes an automatic generalization method, like Google Earth itself. It generalized their own data for better visualization on the screen. The generalization area is defined through the viewing height and the actual resolution of the screen. Only with both components it's possible to find the optimal moment for the generalization. The method is quite simple and uses the region element of KML. There is an invisible latitude-longitude box defined with the extension of continental Europe. The detailed administration boundaries will only be displayed if the box reaches an extension of 1200 pixels or larger on the screen. Additionally, there is a fade extent defined between 1250 and 1200 pixels to smooth the appearance of the boundaries. Back to Tyrol. A unit can not only be highlighted. The highlighted area can also be clicked to display additional data like population for the specified time you have chosen. There are also external links to more information about the unit, for example to the free encyclopedia Wikipedia. As previously mentioned, the digital terrain model is a great feature for visual interpretation of boundaries. Conclusions can be drawn on reasons for boundary positions. For example, the border of Transylvania in Austria-Hungary. The entire area is surrounded by the Carpathian Mountains, a natural barrier, an excellent reason for the location of this boundary. Anyway, back to the future. I have added the KML file for the German state of Saxony for 1995 to 2000 on level 3. The KML data is not only compatible with Google Earth, but also with NASA Whirlwind and Google Maps. Unfortunately, at the moment only the Google Earth client can interpret the KML 2.1 data completely, with all visualization effects and other informations like the timespan tag. In general, you can display a single REGIS file, for example with Google Maps, and also view the HTML-based information of the selected unit. Additionally, you have the possibility to use different raster datasets from Google Maps. The current size of the complete REGIS KMZ file is about 15 MB. Unfortunately, the file cannot be published before 2010 due to the use of copyrighted geometries. I hope you have enjoyed the presentation. Best regards, Bennet Schulte.